Show you how to make shrimp lo mein today. I'm gonna make a Chinese dish today. The noodles that I'm gonna use is called Canton Dry Noodle. So what you do, you put a hot water, boil hot water, and then you just grab maybe a pinch per serving, a pinch of noodles, just like spaghetti, and then throw it into a hot pot and cook for 15 minutes. Once it's softened, you rinse it cold water and then let it dry. And this is what it looks like after I cooked it and let it dry. So the ingredients for this dish, we're gonna have oyster sauce. This is light soy sauce. A little bit of dark soy sauce to bring the color of the noodles. And then of course oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, or olive oil. And then the shrimp, I already divided and ready to cook it. So with the shrimp, I'm gonna marinate with a couple cloves of chopped garlic. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of oyster sauce. Now one thing about the shrimp, one secret that I do, well not a secret, this is from my grandma. In order to have a crispy, crunchy, well actually not crispy, but crunchy shrimp, when you stir fry it, you have to wash with salt and cornstarch. You have to massage it really well, then you rinse cold water, very cold water, and then let it sit for like a couple minutes, then rinse it well, and then here you go. The shrimp is ready to cook, and once you cook it, it will turn out really crunchy and crispy. And then I guess I'm gonna put a little bit of light soy sauce, a little bit of salt, I'm sorry, sugar. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. And mix it up. Also a little bit of sesame oil. Mix it up. For me, a minute. Sorry, it's not yummy because of the sesame oil brings up the flavor.
I know, I smelled it.
Okay, so now we're ready to cook. So I'm gonna start with the vegetable first. Let me get some water. Okay, I'm going to turn on the fire. We're going to put in a little bit of oil. Try not to use too much oil. Try to eat healthy here.
What kind of oil is that?
It's just vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, corn oil, canola oil. You know, typical Chinese food, gotta be greasy, right? I try to stay not too greasy. So it looks like heat up. I'm gonna start with the shrimp.
Oh, they heated up fast.
Yeah, up the fire. High, let's high. So we're gonna cook the shrimp. I like to use chopsticks when I do my cooking.
Why chopsticks?
It's easy to grab. I mean, I can use the tongue. I guess I'll use the tongue when I do the noodles. But for now, we're gonna cook the shrimp. You can smell the flavor. Now you don't really have to like fully cook this. Just make sure it's 80% cooked. Because you're gonna stir it again with the rest of the ingredients. Can you smell it?
Yeah, I'm gonna tear that up. So you buy your shrimp in bulk?
I buy them in like 4 pounds in a package.
So they stay frozen, they last?
Well, they last for like at least a month or 2 because it's frozen. You can eat. And usually I divide it like zip back raw. And then once I'm ready to cook, I just take one back out and let it thaw. And here we go. And now that it's both sides are cooked, I'm going to stir fry it really quick so that it gets evenly cooked. And you can see it's dancing in the wok. It's dancing. Okay, now I'm going to transfer it back to this one. I know this one is raw, but it's okay because I'm going to cook it again. Now I'm going to keep the same wok. I'm going to start with the vegetable. A little bit of oil. I'm so glad this is non-stick. So you
kept the same juices in there?
Mm-hmm. And it doesn't, stick to the wok. So I'm going to start with the brown onion. Kind of brown it a little bit. Then I'm going to go with, this is broccolini. I like broccolini because they're smaller stem and they're softer to cook, quicker to cook. So this is broccolini I'm going to throw in here. I'm going to pick the hardest one first, the broccolini, then the carrots, then the snow pea, and then the pak choy. I'm going to put in a little bit of water.
Did you say bok choy?
Pak choy, it's a Chinese vegetable. See how broccolini turned green? How beautiful the color is?
Ooh, that smells good.
They're in the carrot. Now you see, I make flowers out of the carrot. I like to make it pretty so when you eat it, it's yummy. It's a psychological thing. I like it flowery looking. And I can show you how to make that. It's very easy. Now I'm going to put in the snow peas. Now you notice I didn't put any sauce in here yet because I didn't want to make it too watery. Once I put the noodles in, I'll put in the sauce. And you can see the water evaporated into the vegetable. It looks shiny and pretty. And of course the pak choy is really fast to cook. So I'm not going to cook too long. I'm going to throw it in. Mix it the rest. And add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to throw it back into the shrimp. So we cook everything together. You actually can eat it like this. You can call it shrimp vegetable dish. You don't need the noodles in here.
Like a salad.
Like a vegetable dish. Shrimp vegetable. It has all the vitamins in this vegetable. Alright, so now I'm going to put it inside. I'm going to put in the lo mein. This is the last part. Once I put in the lo mein, I can start putting into my sauce. I'm going to start with oyster sauce, you know, just like a couple teaspoons. Then I'm going to start same thing, a teaspoon. Now, dark soy sauce, you got to be extra careful. You only put like a couple drops because it turns dark really quick. And then a little bit, maybe one and a half teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we're going to start stir. And you can see the noodles soften. I am going to let it sit for a minute. Let me get my plate ready. It smells so good.
Ooh, you fancy.
I like to shake it. See how
What you say, dancing in the...
Dancing in the water. There you go. I'm gonna let it sizzling for another minute. So the total time cooking, maybe 15 minutes. To prep, you know, cut everything up, another 15 minutes. So about 20 to 30 minutes, you got yourself a dish. Shrimp lo mein vegetable. Delicious. Okay, I think it's pretty much done. So I'm going to transfer it into the plate. Nice and pretty. I like to put the noodle in first. And then cover it with the shrimp and the vegetable. This serving can serve 2 to 3 people. I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper. Voila. Should I taste it?
So you don't add any more salt to it, right?
No, this is ready. This is yummy, delicious. I'm going to have a bite because I can't help it. Can't resist it. I just want to taste the noodle. I should use the fork. But I'm Asian, right? Can't use the fork. Here we go. So tasty. The flavor, the sesame oil, soy sauce, and the shrimp. Yummy. All right. Well, I hope you like my dish. Give it a try and comment below. Let me know how you think. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video. I look forward to see you again in the next video. Have a good night. Remember, love yourself, stay strong, and be beautiful.